Hello everybody, this is Daniel with uGenesys and welcome to this video on how to start Forex trading in Jamaica. So if you're interested in trading currencies and making potential profitable trades, then Forex trading might be right for you. So let me just give you a quick breakdown of this video. So first I'm going to let you know the basics that you need to get started, and then I'm going to introduce you to an amazing broker, alright? And then I will let you know how you can receive a $30 bonus on your account, alright? Just a little free bonus for you guys, alright? And so the first step in Forex trading is to educate yourself on the market and trading strategies. And there are many resources available online. You can use articles, books, and you can look at websites like Baby Pips to help you grasp the basic concepts, or you can just watch some YouTube videos, okay? There are a lot of very helpful YouTube videos out there. So just be sure to do some research and learn as much as possible before getting started. And then once you feel comfortable with the basics, you'll need to choose a reputable Forex broker. And one such broker is Forex, which is licensed and regulated to operate in Jamaica, okay? They offer a variety of trading accounts to suit your needs and trading styles, and they have excellent customer support as well. And so to open an account with Forex, you can simply go to their website and follow the instructions, and you'll need to provide some personal information and documents to verify your identity, and then you can fund your account using various methods such as credit card, debit card, bank transfers, or e-wallets, okay? And then once your account is set up and funded, you can start trading on Forex's trading platform. And so they offer access to a wide range of currency pairs as well as other financial instruments such as commodities and indices. But be sure to start with small trades, alright, and practice risk management to avoid significant losses, okay, because it is possible to lose a lot of money if you're not careful there, okay? So just start off small. But in conclusion, Forex trading can be very rewarding, but it's a high risk activity, so therefore it's very important for you to educate yourself and choose a reputable broker and practice risk management. So Forex is an excellent option for those looking to start Forex trading in Jamaica, alright? So be sure to check it out. And so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can sign up with Forex through our link, and then you'll be able to get that $30 bonus in your account to get started with your trading, alright? So it's $30 towards trading, not that you'll be able to withdraw it immediately, but you can use it for your trading, alright? So let me just show you how to do that right now. So the first thing you want to do is to click on the link in the description to sign up with this broker, okay? And then what you want to do next is to click on the section up here that says open live account. And then now you want to go through this section right here, and you want to enter in your details, and then you're going to go ahead and click on register after that, okay? So I'm going to put in my details and then I'll get right back to you, okay? Okay, so after entering your details now, then you'll see this section here that says registration successful, and that will let you know that an activation link has been sent to your email, okay? And so you just click on open email, and then you will verify that email address, and then you move on here. Okay, so after you verified your email address, then it's going to take you to this page here, and you will enter some additional details. So I'm just going to put that in, and then I will get right back to you, okay? Okay, now so after you entered all of the details, then and after you verified your identification, you should see this page right here, and you see here it says your My HF account is approved, okay? And then what I want you to do now is take a look over here on the right side. You see the option that says open CFD trading account. Just click on that. Okay, so you should see take you to this page right here, and you see the different options up here. You see premium, micro, zero spread. But what I want you to take a look at is the option right here that says $30 no deposit, okay, for the MT4 platform. So this is the one you should select. So hit select. And if you look at this page right now, it shows you the details of the $30 no deposit MT4 trading account details, alright? And so what you want to do now is go ahead and click on this section here, the terms and conditions, and then you go ahead and click open account. Okay, so then you get this confirmation here that says ready, your live trading account has been created, okay? Alright, and then if you go to the home section again, and you see over here it shows this page, and you see my trading account, and if you look at the section balance here, it says you see the $30 in your account there, okay? So that's how you know it's in the account there, alright guys? So there you have the $30 bonus in your account. So just keep in mind you can't withdraw this $30, but it can be used for your trading, okay? And remember, it's a limited offer, so go ahead and click on the link in the description below, alright? And so thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think, alright? And goodbye for now.